This tutorial will show you how to restore a course in Moodle 2. So I'm going to actually restore a course that I backed up to the desktop that you can see over here. I have a backup file that I backed up previously from Moodle 2. You can also restore files from Moodle 1.9. It will tell you that it's from a different version of Moodle, but it'll restore it just the same way as I'm going to show you now with a course backed up from Moodle 2. So to begin with, scroll down to the settings block and click on, this time I'm going to click on Restore. And you can see I've got a backup file here already in my private backup area. But this time I'm going to upload a file to restore it. So I'm going to click on the import, choose a file, click on upload a file, and then choose file button. And then I'm going to navigate to my computer desktop, locate the backup file, and you can see the extension is MBZ for the Moodle 2 backup files. I click choose. The extension for Moodle 1.9 backup files is zip. That will still work fine. As I said, you will get one little message saying that it is a different file type. But in this case, I'm just going to proceed. Click upload this file. Depending upon the media that you have in the file, if you have a class with a large number of video or image files, sound files, it will take longer to upload, obviously, or restore larger course files. So just be prepared for that. If you've got a lot of media in your course, which you should try and avoid if possible, then it'll take a lot longer to back up and restore. Anyway, I've got my file here. I click Restore. And Moodle gives me the backup details. It tells me that there's no user information in this file, and that's correct. That's because I didn't store any user information in this backup file. When I've checked the outline, I click Continue. The next step here is the destination. You can see this is, we've gone through step 1, now we're on step 2, destination. Where do I want to restore this course? Well, I can either merge it into my course, or I can click delete if I want to start fresh here and clear out previous information in the course and start from the fresh restore image that I have. I'm going to check delete the contents of this course and then restore, and then click continue. The other options that you have are restore into an existing course, and you can see you've got a list of other courses here that you could restore into. But I'm going to click continue to delete the contents of this course and then restore. And there's no user information, but I'm going to include blocks, activities, and filters. Click next from settings onto the schema page, number 4, step schema. And this page lets me check or uncheck different parts of the course that I want to restore. So if I don't want section 2 to come in, I can uncheck that. Otherwise, I'm going to leave it all there, bring the whole thing in. Click next. Now we're on step 5, which is the review. And I just review, make sure that I'm getting everything that I want. And when I'm done, I click perform restore. May take a while depending on the size of the course. It says the course was restored successfully. Clicking the continue button will take you to the course you restored. I click continue, and here is my Moodle sandbox course, all restored just the way that I wanted it to be. So that's how to restore in Moodle 2.